Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm so excited to share with you guys how to cook Luffa squash or Luffa gourds, also known as sponge gourds. So I have one here and let's harvest this. This is another garden table. It is really very good, fresh right from the garden. So this is really ready to harvest. Look at this beautiful Luffa gourd, a very green, or Luffa squash. So here I heat my pan and have some onions and garlic here. This time I'm going to peel this Luffa squash or Luffa gourd. As you can see guys, you can use a peeler or a knife if you have. So this is what it looks like after you peel it, and you can chop it in any size you want. You can chop it lengthwise. Cut it halves. So I have here some shrimps, deveined and washed already, ready to put in a pot. So I'm just going to saute it with garlic and onions to flavor it. So you wanna put some salt and pepper to the shrimp as well. And there, you can cover it as well if you like. So you want to wait a little bit until it get cooked, and then turn it on the other side, so both sides get this beautiful texture. And then we're going to put it aside because we don't want it to be overcooked. So I'm going to transfer it to the other separate plate. And this is really very aromatic. So now I'm going to dump this chopped tomatoes. These are like beef steak tomatoes. You can use any tomatoes you have in there. So I'm going to simmer these tomatoes and let the flavor and sauce come out. Just like that. It is really very nice. Add some more salt and pepper and cover it for a few minutes and wait until you see the texture of tomatoes. It's become like a saucy, almost like a tomato sauce. You can use canned tomatoes if you don't have fresh tomatoes. So now it got a beautiful sauce, a translucent. I'm gonna put the Luffa squash or Luffa gourds. So here, as you can see, the colors is a little bit stringy. You can cut it into small slices. Luffa gourd is very different from bottle gourd. This one has a different taste. So I'm gonna add a little bit more water to make it tender, because if it's not very tender, it's kind of like chewy and stringy and slimy to eat. So you want to cook it down for a few minutes, like less than 10 minutes. And then afterwards, you can dump some noodles or pasta. This just leftover pasta from yesterday that I put in the fridge. So this, you can put some rice or noodles if you have. This is really very good. If you don't have so many sponge gourds, you can use it. And dump also the shrimp. You can cover it for a few minutes to hug all the flavors together and serve it. And that's it. That's very easy. So there you go, friends. And that's one of the best way to cook a Luffa gourd or Luffa squash. It's another garden table, and you can use different vines if you like. And thank you for watching. And if you want to watch more videos, I have a whole playlist there for you. Please check it out. I'll see you again in the next video. Bye.